Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, let's talk about 5 powerful foods that naturally purify your blood, helping you stay healthy from the inside out. First on our list, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are packed with chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from your bloodstream and supports liver health, essential for natural blood purification. Lemons are excellent detoxifiers. High in vitamin C, they help your body produce glutathione, a compound that flushes out toxins. Drinking lemon water daily can naturally boost your blood purification process. Garlic isn't just a flavorful ingredient, it's loaded with sulfur, which helps remove toxins and purify the blood. Garlic also improves circulation, benefiting your cardiovascular health. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, which support liver function, helping to remove impurities from the bloodstream. Enjoying a cup of green tea daily can give your body a gentle, natural cleanse. Cranberries are known for their antibacterial properties, preventing harmful toxins from accumulating in the body. They're especially beneficial for kidney health, which plays a big role in blood purification. Adding these foods to your diet can help keep your blood pure and your body at its best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips from FitLife Fusion.